In today's video, where we dive into the inspiring journey of Olivia, a young entrepreneur who defied the odds to turn her passion for baking into a thriving business. We'll explore the challenges she faced, the lessons she learned, and how she overcame obstacles to create a successful bakery that caters to the needs of health-conscious individuals. Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Olivia who had always dreamed of becoming a successful entrepreneur. She had big aspirations and a burning desire to make a positive impact on the world. However, Olivia faced numerous challenges and setbacks along her journey. Olivia's entrepreneurial journey began when she was just 22 years old. She started her first business, a small bakery, with the goal of creating delicious and healthy treats for her community. Olivia poured her heart and soul into perfecting her recipes, sourcing high-quality ingredients, and providing exceptional customer service. However, despite her passion and dedication, Olivia's bakery struggled to gain traction. The local market was saturated with well-established bakeries, and it was challenging for her to stand out. Olivia faced financial difficulties and self-doubt started to creep in. She questioned whether she was cut out for entrepreneurship and considered giving up. But Olivia refused to let failure define her. She decided to shift her perspective and view failure as an opportunity for growth. She sought inspiration from successful entrepreneurs who had faced similar challenges and overcome them. Olivia realized that failure was a natural part of the journey to success. With renewed determination, Olivia decided to pivot her business. She identified a new market segment: health-conscious individuals who were looking for gluten-free and vegan options. Olivia spent countless hours experimenting with recipes, ensuring that her treats were not only delicious but also catered to various dietary needs. Slowly but steadily, Olivia's bakery started to gain momentum. Customers appreciated her commitment to quality and the unique offerings she provided. Positive reviews and word-of-mouth referrals began to pour in. Olivia's perseverance and willingness to adapt had paid off. As her business grew, Olivia faced new obstacles. She encountered fierce competition, rising ingredient costs, and the constant need to innovate. But each time she faced a challenge, Olivia reminded herself of her initial dream and the impact she wanted to make. Olivia's story serves as a reminder that success rarely comes without setbacks. It's the ability to persevere, adapt, and maintain a positive mindset that sets successful individuals apart. Olivia's journey taught her the importance of resilience, continuous learning, and embracing failure as a stepping stone to success. Today, Olivia's bakery is thriving, and she has expanded her product line to include a wide range of gluten-free and vegan treats. She has become an inspiration to aspiring entrepreneurs, sharing her story and offering guidance to those facing similar challenges. Olivia's story reminds us that no matter how many times we stumble or face obstacles, we have the power to rise above them. With determination, resilience, and a positive mindset, we can turn our dreams into reality and make a meaningful impact on the world. Remember that your journey may have its ups and downs, but it's how you respond to challenges that will define your success. Stay focused, stay motivated, and never lose sight of your dreams.